is how you have shielded criminals because of your blind loyalty. This is how you live this kind of stupid lifestyle. On my wedding and AyE Butu teach him. If you nyamia samno adia yense biamani biama junimu insuhunu rubbish. Tia my dibone na police for banu ma be fami na alabasta for sorry no ma kujina police or hey police yam primo hey police stop your nonsense. William Diamaye, stop your nonsense. This is how you have shielded criminals because of your blind loyalty. This is how you live this kind of stupid lifestyle. On my wedding and AyE Butu teach him. If you are Yamia Samno, Adia is a beer money, beer marginimu, a tumofo, Jimu Free. You are using your nonsense to cover up the criminality against the Nagana on your mobile. Proverbs 22:22. Mobroni ya monocrono or my patchy way. Motimi bonocrono if Jinaba Kensi Hunu. Momo tea, Muchadi Mungu ye. Ya, Muchadi Mungu ye. Now I'm chinning. Now have your register company. Now I'm chinning on that a year Juma. Am I talking to the wise only? God, I was off with you. I'm telling you. Bejira Abua Kwasiani Fato. Maybe since Zongum me, Tanturu, one of this year Casa. Fato. When I'm here, pay just suffer the amamo. What you would have it here, you make on. Abua Kwasiani, what is the meaning of it? Make sure I'm quite here crying. What did you make? This is your prophet. I'm telling you the mind of God. Yeah. And this is why you have so many money launderers that have surrounded this nation. Moment here to me, my FBI for the warrant to free America back. Normally, about a chick criminals court. And your system does not even see it because you are dreaming me. It will be some catch and say, be a money, be a muscle. Yeah. He knows what he's saying. I have some 106.5. This is the first service. Your friend Kofi Oduro Will Osofo Kofi. And when I am telling you the mind of God, I mean what I'm saying. I'm declaring the mind of God to you. Now, and then, grace will help us in the name of Jesus the Christ. Today, what do you hear? And for internet, and they are using the power of the media, and we make a serious effect of success. TDM no come. Momo tia, momo somewhere internet so baby, chen what you we kono kwasianto kwankwan ye de wo abua ebuya jine onye adwen kwasiade enkwana mumunim how to use your data and your time and your energy. And by now, you beer your dream, yes, said ye shoe, said ye processing tomatoes, said ye processing pineapples, said ye processing and ye my ye Ghana, how we are processing JBD, how you did how we are making very good use of our excess oil, and then you go to Ayenya and only a dear, and then see a line no I didn't know. No! Biama jinimu ekono obi yare wa wo yenya complication please and you cannot believe you did not to ambulance musi you did not come baby or margin harry for no at the movie sound in the and say town ben you didn't be told you can't the idea we it and that date a more the car number no a lot kwasi adwene mo kwasi adwene mo ni kwasi adwene anka ambulance yemfa banche ni eburu yemfa gibidi mo kwasi adwene timbetira hai wasame Kenya mi adwene kire opa totwene dia ba ko timi hunu se Ghana ye hia se Christ no obia ya adwene mu obi ye kromfo ne de so de ne ho political party oginia ne ye chi ne tumu na political party for na sori no makogina ho ya mpene mu be yi enipa no nsenhunu ememeti me dibone na police for aba no ma be fame na alabasta for sori no makogina police police ya mpene mo police stop your nonsense. This is how you have shielded criminals because of your blind loyalty. This is how you live this kind of stupid lifestyle. On my wedding and AyƐ Butu teach him. If you want your samno, adia yes a BMA junimu, a tumofo, jimufrin sewunumu. You are using your nonsense to cover up the criminality against the Nagana on your mobile. Proverbs 22:22. Mobroni ya monocrono or my patchy way. Motimi bonocrono ye Jinababa Kikensim Hunu. Momo tea Muchadi Mungu ye.
Was here by na announcement to radio to say Uncle Chaloto Chobidi. It was also a Chaloto. We'll try a by na maneni. Eti opesu osi aba no eti eno so be ne dey lawyers amu nchemimu
the National Lottery Authority omo de mra na ahye sa na omeka kire
omo de mra ahye me wo fase what do na omo sane message begu ni phone so na so ntwa lotto
No, current. Some Nanata Krakano, and
no,
3 numbers, 4 numbers, 8 me bow.
Almost all my son was sending a message. I said 3 numbers, bet my boy. Oh, and then Crawford and Sanyo, let's run out to Sinas and
Ghana, a scam country, kill it. So, why buy more power? Why buy the power?
I read him a boy. National Nutrition Net miss no message.
It's true. WhatsApp grass almost send this and
aha. It was sending me for Kwame to number. I said 3 to say a bit mabo. Kwame to a chaloto where ni was so and also a binance camino. Because
one example. Nipano so why buy or power and bet you send any be.
Okay.
Me the way you make case in a typical example.
Okay.
Obia onye adwuma ma Ghana ban say onye bibia ma Ghana ban da. Na watena sia hye papers. Say why bibia ma Ghana ban.
Yes.
But because na ban na wo power nti oni attorney general na minister of finance na amanfo bia koludu. Ni amane $34 million. The money $34 million. Na enye akompreko Japan ena ni nipa bi na ekoye ne ke obi akure nimo ena asem ni pie ye asem ni pie afi di aban na hu se amafo aso asem mi mu na omso ke ye de obekọ court na omdu court ni mu de omye omsi we a civil case enye criminal case.
It's not criminal case even though it is fraud. Even though say you're fraudulent, you know, omo a criminal
civil case nti abane ne nka interest kan kakra.
Yes.
Simple thing.
Na there be currently just before we bebe mu no current you. Yeah. I mean me ankasa me de me ho. Okay. My advert. Woba ye no. Sankasebio ekoyie manwa. Sanko bi kura ntese wakobo so wakoji sika o. So what you say?
Current man, we me die no. Me wie ya. Na ka wa be wie wo die.
Sorry nana. Sorry.
Me pese me wie because me of akwa me tutu atuo. Na bu afu pa.
There be
ye nyina na ye tega.
Nane, wo de no. The omo be can say there are laws governing it. That's the challenge somebody will make. However, the agrada so ye no. Emra wo ho.
Me pa chaw agrada konfo bia so okoje ayi ansa no aye adwuma.
Okoje dey.
Wanye license ansa no aye adwuma.
Okoje paper Ghana dey konfo bia wanye license.
Intina ya so
okoje license.
Intina ultimate price na oni bibi mama one education.
Enti sa yanye license dey a e dey na ye dey konfo ne court.
Yo.
Die be ntina di gina so a ye dey ne court.
Nana
ko kan say.
Nana say okoye mre ne mu kra na wo. E na me ne wo ka say. In 2011, 10 years, law na kufuor de buy ya omentumi ampass say yenjai all this commercials are no online we yes signboard brabeji scan ade ne yenjai ni na no NDC for kra under we atamils try so omobe revival ni the atakram ena me no ka say okọ Ghana parliament ne emra no da so ti o adentia MPs na tetu on bebre TV stations and radio stations from yes our commercial was na your money
Yeah.
and so they don't want to pass the full bill. That is why they only have it for advertisement.
Say,
Felix,
no,
they are being paid. Felix, they are being paid by that advert.
Yeah.
They are being paid by that advert.
Obi AyE Duro. Ebe ya advert to radio so. Obi kotoy enum wuye.
You.
Say nipa no so obeye dey. Because onu wonim what see ya announcement no radio so. Self medication. Eno no akoto. Eno wanu.
Yes.
Onu so awu. Eni say agrada akoye na advert. Me amete yi, mete ye. Obrempont ye. Kwam ye si edu te ye. Aja wusu te ye. Abrasa wa te ye. Bright so te ye. Enti no ono de we ye gimi say ya nko bia na.